guys, so today's video is going to be the first video of my room renovation series here on my channel. I told you guys that I wanted to do a lot of home videos this year, and I plan on delivering because we are finally starting to wrap up some projects, also start new ones, but we are finally starting to wrap up some of them. So I wanted to kick things off today with the guest bedroom, and I really wanted the guest bedroom to almost feel like a hotel when my guests stay the night. So I really wanted it to have like that luxe comfort vibe mixed with my style, which is definitely more modern and simple and clean, and also almost transitional because I feel like the main fixtures or the main pieces in the room, the chandelier, the lamps, the headboard, those are very like timeless and classic that won't go out of style. And then I just mixed in a modern flair with the accessories. And the room itself is actually pretty small, so I knew I wanted to lighten up the room and maximize its full potential of space by lightening the wall colors, which we did. And you'll see that in the before pictures. I did want to include some of those so you guys could see what we were working with. It was very just cookie cutter. It wasn't even molding around the windows or the doors, so we added that ourselves, which I did get a lot of questions in one of my previous home videos asking if we're paying somebody to do all of this work, and we are actually doing all of the work ourselves, and we are not experienced, so we are learning as we go. So it does take us a little bit longer because my visions are like up here and we don't know how to do that, so we are trying to like learn how to do that, but it does make it a lot more special, and we're just that much more proud and excited about the things that we're doing to this house and making it ours. So I'm so excited to share this room with you guys. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to try to link everything in the description bar for you from this room. So from the chandelier, the headboard, to all of the accessories, I'm going to link down below. And if I can't find one of the items, I will link something very similar so that you guys can still get that kind of a look if you're looking for that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what room you're excited for me to reveal next. Also, let me know what you guys like about this room, what you think about it, and what you think about this style of video. Do you prefer to see it slowed down, or do you kind of like this kind of vibe that I did today? So let me know that in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. I added one of my favorite plants, which is the fiddle leaf fig, and I put it in this planter for a gold accent. And since the walls were so light and bright, I wanted to bring some depth to the room, so I went with this dark charcoal gray headboard from Ashley Furniture. I love the texture on it because it gives a really masculine vibe, yet it's really soft because of the tufting. And this was under $300, which I think was a steal for this room. And because it made such a statement, I decided to go for a more monochromatic gray vibe, and I think it turned out really well. And because the headboard is so massive, I was able to use these beautiful oversized crystal lamps that really draw the eye up to the chandelier that is super simple but also very timeless, and both of them are from One Step Lighting. Instead of going with traditional framed pictures or canvas art, I actually decided to go with 3 floating frame ledges from Ikea, and now I have interchangeable art that I can switch in and out based on the season, or if I have a guest that's staying that likes a certain book, I can always put it on the ledge, so it's practical, functional, and really pretty.